It is March 15th, and I'm making a driving video going to Teppanyaki Buffet in Minneapolis. I don't know if I ever made a driving video going to this buffet, but they were severely damaged in the riots, and they're finally reopened. And I don't know if now you got the Derek Chauvin trial. I don't know, would they burn it down again if they find him not guilty? I don't know. I can't see how that fucking douchebag could possibly get away with it. They're probably gonna give him a slap on the wrist, or he's gonna do some time in prison, which is a shithole place. But he's no fucking angel, that's for sure. Yeah, he's a fucking piece of shit. He would do that. He would do that to anyone who's different. He would do that to someone with Asperger's. He's just a total fucking piece of shit. And oh my God, are there accidents? Oh shit, it is. Oh God, that car has been fucked pretty bad. That's an $1,000 repair or more. Oh God, they're totally, completely depending on the age and blue book value of the car. It's shit, you gotta be careful on days like this. Oh, fucking bastard honked at me. It's a good thing I'm not on this thing for very long. Oh, that fucking asshole. He honked at me. He flipped me off. I don't know, he might have, but I didn't see it. People are such a... In this type of weather, there was just a bad accident there. Or certainly with fucking up the cars. I don't know about injuries. And he's still driving like an asshole, so... Oh, God. So I had to have the drive shaft replaced. It was a recall, so it wasn't... And I'm very lucky that... Because when I was on the phone, they said it could be done right away, and then when I get there, they say it's going to be several hours just to look at it, and it was corroded, which will eventually could do some serious shit. It could cause your brakes to crap out, and I don't totally understand what part it is. It's connected to the transmission. Maybe that's why it slipped on me when it did. But then the oil pressure sending unit shit, when that went out, that was no fucking joy. Yeah, I was driving around for like 5 days with no fucking oil. Or very little oil. I didn't know what it was. It was dying. I mean, it was pinging, which is indicated, but I didn't know cars well enough to... I thought it was just part of the car getting older. It was making that noise. Shit. Oh, these fucking lights. Go see what this buffet is like. I wouldn't go on there. I tried them a week ago and they weren't open. I tried calling them and no one answered. I tried calling the Old Country Buffet in Burnsville, and their number is even disconnected, which really fucking sucks. I don't know if it's gonna come back. It says it's opening soon or something. I don't know if it will. Now it's called Old Country Buffet Ace Marketplace or something. You know, and it actually, last time I ate there, it was pretty good. Then the pandemic, and then they closed them all down. It was a year ago now now this shit is a year old, and the vaccine magically is causing things to start getting back to normal. How fucking amazing! Oh God, they probably want to pull another pandemic, or there's already different strains of the COVID now out that they say is the vaccine's working. Now they say there's a strain that might not be working with the vaccine, and so, yeah, that drive shaft thing was pretty fucking stressful. Plus, they couldn't detect the engine damage or shit like that when I was driving around without oil. But it has made it this far, so I guess the real test is when I put the air conditioner on for the first time when it gets too fucking hot out. That's the, which it already is close enough for the air conditioner heated because it's March, and it's a pretty strong sun, and it's going to be much stronger when we get to April. The sun is now in the same spot that it is in late September, so it's getting pretty strong, and when spring begins, it'll be in the same spot that it is in the middle of September, so from the end of April, you'll have sun that's in the same spot it is in the middle of August. See, I'm so glad I have Asperger's. Actually, that's something I'm knowledgeable on. Most people don't know this. What if you go on a trip and you leave your pet in the car? Well, if you leave your pet in the car when it's 100 degrees out with a dew point in Nevada, you're gonna find a dead pet, unfortunately. Now, if you really, the warmest you could leave the pet in the car safely, and that's only if the pet is healthy, because even with 11 degrees, it still probably goes up to about 110 degrees in the car. And gee, when is it more dangerous to leave your pet in the car when it's 7 degrees in the sun? In the end of May or the end of October? And the answer is it's the end of October for good reason. See, end of October because you have a lower sun angle, so it won't get as fucking hot in there. Fucking gas prices suck. I am gonna have to get gas before I go home. That's the last stop I gotta make before I go home today. Kind of a fucking stressful. Any car repair is stressful. Drive shaft, that was a serious thing. An expensive repair, actually. Probably over $1,000. The good news is the timing chain is good. The other parts are good. The timing chain that often has to be replaced once it hits 100,000 miles. That drive around, you can do an engine compression test or something, or see if there's oil particles or shit like that. Well, if there were oil particles in there, I think the engine would have been gone by now. or engine parts. This car can only make it to February of it'll be in years, be the longest I had any car. Let's hope it makes it. Cars are fucking expensive. So probably would only be able to get one more car in my lifetime anyway. The longer this one lasts, the better. Yeah, this video will have to be in parts, but I made quite a bit of progress, so maybe you can get it unpart. Lots of unpart videos, maybe not though. Yeah, it seems like most of it eating at Chinese buffets. God, if it wasn't for this, I ordered Usri. Oh shit, well I got a ways to go yet. It's definitely gonna have to be in new parts. Little ways to go. Yeah, buffet in Columbia Heights is pretty good. Mediterranean buffet. A lot of good food there, but people don't social distance or anything. Or wear a mask, and people may be backing off on that now. I don't know, I think maybe people want an fourth wave of this shit. Yeah, I don't think I ever made a buffet going to this, or I mean made a video going to this buffet. Oh yeah, one time the waitress was a rude fucking cunt to me, and I think I went back. It took a long time to go back there. And I don't know if the buses and trams would allow free rides on St. Patrick's Day, or well, the major reopenings really are going to be on April 1. God, it's been a year since this shit started, and today was my last a year ago today was my last full day in the Atlanta area. And I made a driving video with June going to Sweet Tomatoes in oh god, it's not. Oh fuck, I can't think of I think it's to the east of Sandy Springs, Georgia, but I can't think of the fucking town right now. It's near the Georgia Mall or something, and Martatrons run through there, run close to there. Yep, gonna need gas before I get home for sure now. Oh god. Actually gonna have to count money before I gotta make sure I have is that change kind of, because most gas is fucking prepay, so I want to be able to fill the tank up. I hope it lasts the April Licks. That's actually gonna be getting kind of close to my Chicago road trip. I'm hoping Metro will extend the day rides, and then hope the Golden Corrals have reopened, but sure as hell the pandemic doesn't get turned for the worse. It's only in redneck southern states where people are and maybe they're telling people not to wear masks and everything so they get COVID, and then they'll think twice about the damn fucking vaccine. Oh, I better get the vaccine, look what's happening. You know, so maybe that's a conspiracy to tell people it's not it's mostly Republicans doing this shit. Until it was a year ago today, went to a party in Norcross, Georgia. And then a year ago tomorrow, March 6th, is the day was my last day of visiting June. I left on the X10. I ate at a Western Sizzlin', which is all-you-can-eat buffet. They had really good food there. It was kind of fucking expensive, though. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna quite make it in on part, unfortunately. Shit, I should have. I don't think it will. It'll be close, but it won't quite make it. Oh, this is the street where the riots took place. There was a super grand buffet or something. Yeah, it was. And where maybe this will make it. The Trons are over there, but I've only got a minute of fucking fortunately. Shit, I do only have a minute. Is that the light rail? Yeah, it's right in here. Shit, I can't. Oh, fuck, I can't turn in here, though. Wait a minute, I can turn in there. Oh, God, there's only a minute left. Shit. I'm gonna stop this and make a... well... buffet is right here. Still rebuilding from the riots. Oh God, won't be able to get a very good look at it, unfortunately, because I'm up to 10 minutes. A lot of videos have been only up 10 minutes. Yep, Bill Supreme Buffet. I don't even be in there. I'm so glad I have Asperger's. I make most interesting. I'm driving videos, all types. Nobody makes more interesting videos than I do.